Diamond digging in the snow. He doesn't like using the litter box, so he's outside digging a hole in the snowdrift so he can take his morning dump. Here he goes. He's all set up. Ah, yeah, that's better. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Yeah, got that tail in the air. Oh, I can see the squeezing going on. And you gotta do what you gotta do. This is what you gotta do when you're an inside cat who doesn't like a litter box. Relief. Well, just about finished. You're going to bury it now? Come on, Diamond. He needs to bury it, even if it's snow. Let him go. Hey, buddy. Come on. Come on. Doesn't want to come home yet.